All right, we're going to continue with what we did on yesterday. Today is March 24th. Let's go over the student task statement. So, again, so we got 5 times 98, okay? And then the 5 times 98 becomes 5, and then 100 minus 2. And then we can distribute it and say 5 times 100. We get 5 times 100, and then we can say 5 times 2. And then that equals 500, and that equals 10. So the answer is 490. Same thing with here, 33 and 12. So we can change that to 33, parentheses 10 plus 2, because 10 plus 2 is 12. And then we can distribute it and say 33 times 10 and 33 times 2. And then we can add it up. 33 times 10 is 330, and then 33 times 2 is 66. All right, and then this one here, we worked backwards yesterday, so that's 18. And then we have the 3 and the 3 here. That means 3 would be here. So it's all about patterns. Do you see 5 and the 5? That becomes a 5. The 33 and 33, that becomes 33. So this is a 3, and then 10 minus 4 is 6. So 3 times 6. So we're going to do this together, okay? 9 plus 12 is what? 21. What number can go to 9 and 12 evenly? Divide. Pause it and think about it, and when you're ready, unpause it. It is 3. So 3 times something plus 3 times something. Okay? So 3 can go into 9 how many times? 3. 3 can go into 12 how many times? 4. So that's how we would write that out. Okay, so what number is going to be in the front here of this parentheses? What number is going to be in the front? So look at the pattern here. 5 and 5 is 5. 33 and 33, 33, and so on. So we got the 3 and 3 here, so this would be 3, right? And then one goes inside here. 3 and the 4. So now this would be 3 times what? What's 3 plus 4? 7. Isn't 3 times 7 21? It's just another way to figure it out. Okay, this one, there's 3 different combinations, all right? Because there's 3 factors that can go into 24 and 16. We're going to use 8. So let's just use 8. So 8 times something minus 8 times something. So 8 times what is 24? 3. 8 times what equals 16? Okay, 2. Okay, so then 8 would be out here, and then parentheses, and then minus. What 2 numbers do you think goes in here? That's right, 3 and 2. So then this will be 8 times what? 1. Now there's 2 other factors that can go into 24 and 16 evenly. Can you figure that out? Okay, unpause it when you're ready. It's 4 and 2. 4 can go into 24 6 times. 4 can go into 16 4 times. And then write it out like this. And then 2 can go to 24 12 times, and 2 can go to 16 8 times. So those are a couple ways to figure it out. Okay? All right, and then read the lesson summary. So we can do 5 times 79, 5 times 79, and then we can change it to 5 times 70, and then 5 times 9. Okay? And then here, instead of 5 times 79, we can do 80 minus 1. So just make it easier mentally to do in our head. All right? So you can read that. And then for homework, number 2, don't draw and label diagrams. Just figure out this answer. So do 10 times 50, and then 9 times 50, and then add it up. And then number 3, just do 100 times 24 and 2 times 24, and then figure it out. Same thing with these. Okay? So just multiply 20 times 15 and 1 times 15, and then add it up. Okay, and then you're going to do number 4. And then number 5, don't do A. So do 5B, and then do 6 and 7. Now 6 and 7 is something that we've done before in the past. So take a look at the previous practice problems to help you, and maybe even read my comments. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Um, this is due when you get to school the next day, and then make sure that if you want to do your iReady, and see if there's any missing work that you need to do. All right. Have a good day, and I'll talk to you later.